Good morning. Happy, what day is it? Today is Wednesday. So it's been a productive morning. I went to the gym. I've not had breakfast. It is 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go get my mom and we're gonna pick up my grandpa and go out to breakfast. I took a shower. I actually kind of did my hair, some makeup on. I've been filming this morning, so we're in the process. I filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing and a Stitch Fix unboxing, so be on the lookout for those. I've just got to do the second part of my Stitch Fix unboxing when I get home, the try on part. But let's get into advent calendars, December 20th. My mom came over yesterday and like rearranged all of them. She loves to look at them. She thinks they're so cute. Okay, so Advent Day 20. Let's see. Oh, cute. It's this little duck thing. I don't know, like, I mean, I would think Daisy Duck, but I'm not really sure. Either way, she's adorbs with her little snowflake belt. So cute. All right. We're getting quite the collection. Now on to Sephora, and better not be any stationary gear. Well, here's 20. Really hoping it's something good. I don't know, it's really small, you guys. What the heck? So annoyed. It's a fox pin. Seriously, Sephora? A pin? Oh. It's kind of cute, but really. And it says like makeup, a bath, and accessory surprises. Nobody told me that accessories meant like office supplies. A ribbon. I thought maybe like a makeup sponge or like, you know, accessories. Earrings? Maybe not earrings, but you know, like accessories. I don't know what accessories meant, but I didn't think it said office supplies. So annoyed. What am I gonna do with this pin? And that ribbon, I just threw it away. What am I gonna do with that ribbon? Whatever. I'm not the only one annoyed, because I love watching other people who have this advent calendar and seeing their reactions too, because they're just as annoyed and weirded out as me. Whatever. So, I'm starving, you guys. Starving. I was gonna have some yogurt, but I ran out of time. So it's almost Christmas, and it's so exciting. We don't have anything really planned for the next few days. So breakfast today, I have an eye appointment to get my eyes checked. So that's always fun. They have to dilate my eyes every time. That's so annoying if you ask me. What else? I gotta finish that Stitch Fix video. I think tomorrow we're gonna finally make cookies, like for reals. We have been saying we're going to, but it's just been like so crazy and stuff going on, and you know, my mom's off of work, so we thought we'd just, you know, do it closer to Christmas than sooner. So we'll do it Thursday. Friday I'm gonna be gone. I'm not gonna vlog that much because I'm gonna be with my dad's girlfriend, and she's not really into the YouTube kind of thing and doesn't really understand it as much. So I don't know, it'd just be a little bit awkward, but we're doing a little Christmas like shopping day, girls day. Yeah. Okay, I gotta go. I'm so hungry. I feel like I heard my phone. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so I just got back from the eye doctor. I have some pretty severe dryness. It looks like, I don't know, something had happened with my eyes and they got super dry, and I rubbed them and wore contacts yesterday, so I've got some, eyes are so big because they're dilated. So I have to wear glasses for the next few days, just limiting my contact use. I've got to actually put in some eye drops 3 to 4 times a day, and then they switch up my contacts, and so my eyes are dilated, you guys. So probably like huge on camera, like look how big my pupils are. So anyone knows if they get their eyes dilated. It's not the most comfortable thing. So I'm just gonna sit on the couch for a little while and close my eyes drink some water, have a snack, and yeah. So I'm gonna insert some clips from last Friday since I didn't get to upload that. So enjoy!